Ayan, hindi daw alam ni Lola. Sa Hawaii. Sa Hawaii daw po.
Happy birthday to you.
Hi guys! Today is Sunday and advanced birthday celebration today ni Travis! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Excited ka na? Surprise to kay Travis. Hindi niya alam na mag-celebrate kami ng birthday niya today. Nasa-surprise namin siya mamaya and hopefully mag-work at ma-surprise namin siya. See you later! Simba muna! Bye! Dito na kami sa McDo. So, hindi pa rin alam ni Travis na magpa-party dyan. Narinig pala ako. Sorry. Sorry, nakasara ang boses ko. Birthday, anak. Hi, Manny. Hi, Harriet.
Ayan, let's all welcome Travis! And one more time, yung mas lakas ng band!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Ayan, sabi po natin patingin ng happy birthday si Travis at the count of 3, 2, 1! Happy birthday, Travis! We would like to welcome you all here at McDonald Jose Bansatas Bangba to celebrate Travis' birthday party. Ayan, para po sa ating first media question. Ano ang full name ng ating birthday celebrant? Exo, ano pong name nyo at kaano-ano nyo si Travis? So dahil kita kanya, ano po ang full name ni Travis?
Travis James.
Ayan, so daddy, tama po ba yun?
Mali!
Ayan, maligal ko. Ay, tama. Ay, nilolo ako ni Mami eh. Eh, syempre may game prizes ka.
Wow!
Kailan ang isang birthday ng ating birthday celebrant? Wow! Ayan si Abab. Ayan, so ano pong name nyo? Ayan, so ano po, kailan po ang isang birthday ni Travis, including the year? Ayan, may mga sisting daw. Ay, may nagbibilang pa. Ayan, sige po, kailan po ang isang birthday ni Travis?
January 29, 2016.
Ayan, so kami, tama po ba? Ayan, it's correct. congratulations po. Ayan, para lang po sa ating last trivia question. Saan hospital pinanganak si Travis? Go! Ayan, baka sa Google meron. Ayan, sino po nakakaalam kung saan hospital pinanganak si Travis? Ayan si Lola daw. Ayan, saan po pinanganak ng hospital si Travis? Ayan, dito alam ni Lola. Sa Hawaii. Sa Hawaii daw po. Ayan, it's correct. Ayan, so thank you so much po sa nag-participate para sa ating trivia questions. Ayan, McDonald's says Britney, madalas ginagamit ng mga babae sa kanilang lips. And McDonald's says Britney, lipstick or lip tint, go! Ayan, congratulations po! Para sa ating adults game, kailangan ko po ng 10 players. 5 boys po at 5 girls. Natin sa phone. Ayan, dito po sa team boys at dito naman po sa team. Ayan, sige, try po natin. Jump po kayo. Jump papunta at paikot. Ayan, dapat mabilis po. Mabilisan kayo.
Inang, sabi dyan, hindi natin talbog.
Pwede mo kahit bounce.
Inang, pwedeng bounce. O kaya roll over.
Ayan, sige, dahil nahihirapan si Ma'am, tatakbo na lang po. 3, 2, example pa lang po yan.
Sabon.
Sample pa lang yan. Siyempre, i-explain ko pa po kung paano kayo mananalo sa game na to. Ayan, sige po, balik po tayo sa pila. First player to the last po, balik po ulit tayo. Once na nakaikot na po sa upuan, puputokin yung logo, babalik sa pila at sabay-sabay sabihin, Happy Birthday, Chavez! So, ganun lang po para manalo kayo. Ayan, so ready na po ba kayo, both teams?
Ready.
Ayan, bibigyan ko muna po kayo ng exercises. Para sa team boys, isa namang ahu-ahu dyan, yung sabay-sabay at mas malakas. Ayan, so 3, 2, 1, go! Ayan, palakpakan naman po natin ang team boys. Sa team girls naman, isa naman pong get out dyan, yung mas malakas with energy. Ayan, 3, 2, 1, go! Ayan, palakpakan naman natin ang team girls. And so dahil ready na kayo, at the count of 3, we will start this game. 3, 2, 1, go! Ready ka sa my next player. Ayan. Ayan, buta ng logo. Ayan, balik sa pila. nakapatok ng logo sa Pink Boys. Ayan, syempre nakita naman natin ang unang nakapatok ng logo ay ang Team Girls. Ayan, kinakabahan si Seth, namumula. Ayan, sino po kamukha yung artista pagising sa umaga? Empoy daw po. Palakpakan naman po natin si Sir. Ayan, si Sir naman po. Sino po kamukha yung artista pagising sa umaga?
Gardo Versosa.
Ayan, Carlo Versosa daw po. Ayan, si Sir naman po. Ayan, sino po kamukha yung artista pagising sa umaga?
Vice Ganda.
Ayan, boys, ganda daw po. Ayan, si Sir naman. Sino po kamukha yung artista pagising sa umaga? Ayan, Daniel Padilla daw. Siyempre, nasa na yung isang player natin, nagtatago. Ano, bumalik. Ayan, hindi ko po makakatakas, sir. Ayan, sige, sir, sino po kamukha yung artista pagising sa umaga?
Bento.
Ayan, si Benton daw po. Ayan, sige, sir, isayaw nyo na yan. Ayan, so mommy and daddy, approve po ba or disapprove? Ayan, approve po. Ayan, so thank you so much po. Ayan, let's all welcome Dreamers! Ayan, say hi naman dyan, Dreammates. Ayan, syempre, may dance performance din handa ang ating friend. Ayan, sige, Dreammates, isayaw mo na yan. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin si Dreammates. Ayan, sabay-sabay po ulit natin kantahan ng happy birthday song si Travis. So, clap your hands, guys. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, one more time yung mas masaya naman. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan, sabay-sabay po namin batiin si Travis ng happy birthday at count of 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, Travis! Ayan, syempre, pwede mo na i-blow ang your candle and make sure na mag-wish ka muna. Ayan, once again, happy birthday, Travis! Ayan, at syempre, hindi rin mawawala ang birthday wishes nila mommy and daddy para sa kanya.
Mami first. Oy, video nyo lahat ha. Para kayo. Okay. Naiiyak, naiiyak. Naiiyak.
Mahal na mahal kita.
birthday namin siya. Thank you.
And once again, happy birthday, Travis!
Shine bright up all night and never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep on breathing, even if we're slipping away. So I close my eyes and lose myself now. Do it like it's only today. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like this. We got a party for a lifetime. No, we ain't stopping for the sunrise. And we don't care about the bad nights. And for a second I can feel like this. Make me feel like this. Young blood made of gold, a mind you can't control.
Hi guys!
It's Yubi. Hi guys, it's Yubi.
Thank you everybody for and happy birthday to me. And thank you for awesome and thank you Bridget for coming.
Thank you all for coming. Maraming salamat.
Salamat. Thank you Lola. And also Cynthia. And also Aiden and Arya and Sasha. Actually everybody, thank you. And Mom and Daddy and Nathan.
Yay!
Hope you guys have a great day on my birthday.
Bye!
Bye.
Salamat sa nagpunta.
Thank you guys. Thank you sa inyo. Happy birthday, Travis! Happy birthday!
Walis.
Happy Happy anniversary! What's that?
Yay! Marsha. Say thank you.
Hi, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Tita Kamba. Thank you, Sia.
From Tita Ina.
Oh, that's
never
from Tita
mind,
Ina.
Next gift.
And Tita Pita.
From Dungo daw.
What's that?
Open it.
Wait.
What's that?
Yay!
Oh,
Gusto niya yung
oh,
chicken.
the dinosaur. Yay! The chicken.
Ang dami.
I'm gonna wake up people every day.
Wake up Tito Eric yan.
Oh, you have to build
You
it.
have to build it. Yeah, just leave it in the box kuya. Leave it in the box for now. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Tata. Thank you, Dungo family. Say thank you. Best gift ever?
What's that from? What's that? That's Linda. What's that,
2,000 pesos. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
try it on. Masaya.
Careful. Wow, very nice.
Thank you, Lola. Open na.
Thank you, Lola.
Thank you, Lola.
Not the big one yet.
That's for last.
Who's that from? It's from
Aria.
Aria.
Open it.
And this is for Raymond, which is so big.
Yay! Alright.
What's that?
Lagi mo ng car.
Wow.
Yay! Thank you. Hey, thank you, Aria.
Aria.
Oh, the tag.
Say thank you.
Thank you, Aria.
Thank you, Aria. And then this next big one. Big.
What is it? Oh, what's that?
Wheels.
Hot Wheels. Is that Hot Wheels? Thank you. Say thank you.
Amen. Amen. Wow, so big.
Say thank you, everyone.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you, sis. Thank you. Thank you. Happy birthday to Thank you, everyone. You had fun? Huh? Happy birthday.